Years ago, before space travel was either near or real, writers were sending their heroes into orbit with their pens.
The spaceman type, chewing meteoric porridge. The asteroid arsenal's beefing up my courage. The lunar base burglars, sunspots burn you up. I'll be shooting stars at Mars, the planet murderer. My spaceship's flying. A red dwarf alliance, drying up the Milky Way's galactic pirates. Sub-die astronaut, my mind carpet rescued us. Sniff stardust, manufactured off Neptune. I'm the cosmic gypsy, tipsy from plutonium whiskey. This freaky alien from Pluto gives me my soldiers from the solar. Roll on you rapper dreads, like I heard the asteroids. Face my magnetic space shower. My debris clashes Jupiter, heavyweight powers. All my forces are nuclear, so keep your cursed distance. Feel when I snap like a Venus penis trap from Mercury and back. I'm known by the kingpins in drug rings of Saturn. You mess with this space fog and something's gotta happen. So grab the Southern Cross if that's any constellations. Some space stations sell shit from Uranus, but they get demolished by the interstellar famous. Spaceman type from a section that's nameless. I'm the cosmic gypsy, welcome to my kingdom. The space is my wife and these planets are my children.
In my capsule, green escape pod, floating on through the velvet robes of some god. Radio is gone dead, I navigate past the plow, feel ecstatic.
Like, hey Rob, look at me now.
Rough course traveling, infinite space palace. Open wonder face with aurora borealis type light shows. Diamonds where I tread on space carpet. Volcanic Erebus, brooding in the Antarctic. Show me a sign, a dock for the interplanetary flea market. Buy a frozen apple, I'll preserve for the shower when your ship gets hit. Burning up, I remember Earth chewing on the pips. Your lasers can't touch my tracking, I'm star synced with universal underground backing. The moon hopping massive and the cloud steppers, Plutonian Saturnites guided by satellites. My stellar compass is energy and mind state. Emits solar power, O2 and gyrate. Stay adrift, ocean sound of 4 ships. Sail my galleon, caravan timeline trips.
Farmer, stargazer, interstellar space chase. Asteroid belt, waistline, lunar man ace. Universal supernovas, guide to the galaxy. Hitchhiking, time bandit, seeking ET. Sleepwalker in the stars, spirits of the skies. Astrology reborn, with Taurus by my side. I free celestial latitude, sliding down black holes. My hemisphere magic brings spaceman snow. Stardust, soar, great plow, sky harvest. Satellite demolition, chicken runs with a TARDIS. My starship enterprise is interplanetary, with big banging theories from here to Pleiades. The summer solstice countdown to be solar. The moon's in the 9th house, an old star order. Angular planets descending from their birthplace, in tune with the infinite, desirable skyscraper. A cosmical period, the cycle of heaven. The biology of God, I tied a ribbon in the sky. Atmospheric radiation, technological meltdown. Orbiting planets for elemental powers found. My head's buried in volume, a space encyclopedia. Supernature creatures, Barna star healer. I watched the autumn equinox, then burned that titan. I bathe in moon rays that feel totally enlightened. In love with the stars, seduced by the zodiac. Spaceman type farmers, universal map.
Lion of the Zodiac, know me as the zoomorphic messenger who orbits the regular star, Northern Nebula, storm cloud dweller, moon boot stepping on the interstellar path, letter trail of the lexicon, alphabet soup, dragon, space suit, sentinel, keeper of the Stargate, my soul stays chemical, boat space in several places, zero gravitational fields, the stars plow my acres, I'm weightless now, in Mother Nature's imagination, escape the stasis of carbonite preservation, I occupy lunar bases, in moon craters that shield me from meteor storms and new dangers. Cosmos conquistador crusaders and space age saber-toothed tiger soothsayers. Explore the dunes, we move with the spice miners. Precise science, black holes and white giants. Psychic net runners and android headhunters. Cyberpunk spongy jumping off the third rock. Mixing Smirnoff with dandelion and burdock. Moon juice sipping stepchildren of the earth gods. My home's the heavens. I fell back to earth where electric sheep feed on the astroturf. I surf the network and my skin turned silver. Metallic anatomy, the space pro builder, rainbow conceiver. I'm bleeding mercury, caught in a time warp, and all I see is burgundy. My fingertips glisten, gripping crystallized flowers. Red and green sparkle, marvel at the powers. Asteroid showers, interplanetary rainfall. Brainstorm color charts, the cosmic paintball. The mega blast, travel on the Battlestar Galactica. Jets, the invalid who infiltrated Gattaca.
I'm the cosmic gypsy, welcome to my kingdom. The space is my wife and these kingdom. The space is my wife and these planets are my children. I'm the cosmic gypsy, welcome to my kingdom. The space is my wife and these planets are my children. I'm the cosmic gypsy, welcome to my kingdom. The space is my wife and these planets are my children.